Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as many of you know, I do feature a lot of browser reviews on this channel, and I thought it would be interesting to take a look at the latest StatCounter browser market share for desktops worldwide again, because they have released some more market share stats recently, and the last StatCounter market share video I posted was in July of last year, 2021. So I thought in this video we would just take a look and compare the different percentages and results for the desktop browser market share worldwide. Now, in July when I posted that previous video, Internet Explorer was at 1.45%, which has now decreased to 1.06%. Opera was at 2.48% and now has increased to 3%. Firefox was sitting at 7.16% and has now been increased to 9.18%. So that's actually quite a big increase, a 2% increase for Firefox. Microsoft Edge was at 8.1% and is now at 9.54%. So that's also a substantial increase for Edge. Safari was at 9.71% and is now at 9.84%. So that hasn't increased as much, and Edge is actually gaining on Safari. So obviously in the near future, Edge is actually going to overtake Safari as the second most used web browser for desktop when it comes to market share. And then Chrome, in that previous video in July, was at 68.74%, now has dropped to 65.38%. So that's a little bit of a decrease for the Google Chrome web browser, which still remains the most used and popular browser worldwide. Now, if we just go over to the actual graph by StatCounter, which will just give us a bit of a better perspective. Here we can see in the green at the top, this is from February 2021, by the way, to February 2022. The green is slightly below 70%, as we can see, for Google Chrome, and has decreased a little bit into the beginning of this year. Safari, as mentioned, is more or less where it was. It's dropped slightly, but is more or less where it was in the previous video. And then Edge, which is in the blue, I don't know if you can pick it up, has increased from the first quarter of last year up until the beginning of this year, as mentioned. So that is gaining on Safari and most probably will overtake Safari in the near future. Firefox in the orange, I don't know if you can see that as well, and has also gone up substantially. And that actually started around about near the end of last year, October, November, which we started seeing that increase into this year. And then Opera, as mentioned, is at the bottom place here in the red. And then the little dots you see are the other browsers. So that would be other browsers I feature on this channel would be Brave and Vivaldi. Those would be in those statistics, which are quite low compared to the rest. But just wanted to let you know and keep you updated, seeing that I do cover mainstream browsers on this channel. And Chrome is still in first place, and Edge looks like it's going to overtake Safari in the near future. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.